You know those are filled with toxins, right? Things that will kill you. Let me guess, Old Spice, Dove, Men. Ugh. Yes, I do realize it's more affordable, but wouldn't you expect toxins to be cheaper? Doesn't cost much to kill your body. Excuse me a moment. Thank you. What were you saying? Now it's your choice, mind you, to choose to lather your body in lab goop. But there are better ways, natural ways. Now hear this. Those who choose to use toxic soaps over their lifetime statistically live 4 hours less than those of us who use God's soaps. That is not me speaking, that is statistics speaking and science. Science-tistics. Now, I didn't want to tell you this when I first met you because I don't like to judge people. But I could tell you the moment I saw you that your body is pulsing with toxins. Put some onions on the base of your feet tonight and you will see the evils that your body is hosting. And you will dump all of your Dove soap by end of day tomorrow. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a cleanse to do. And no, I would not expect you to know what that is. Bye-bye.